The sentence hearing of the two convicts in rape and murder case of N. Satyabhama, Katrimayum Biju alias Holendro of Irilbung Thongkong, and Thoijam Tassis alias Aboy alias James of Tambalkong Sabal Lekai has been postponed till December 21. An Emergency Response Support System (ERSS) of Manipur Police Department has been launched today during a function organized at Manipur Rifle Complex in Imphal. Speaking on the occasion, Chief Minister N. Biren said the ERSS will help the police in rendering service at any location in the state in time of emergency. Former ADC member Lamboy alias Gotinlam Gangte said everyone should come forward and join the war against drugs launched by the Manipur government. He said this while inaugurating a Higin cafe restaurant at J. Vajang village, Moray today. A team of Kongjom police carried out an anti-drug drive today as part of the ongoing week-long anti-drug campaign which began on December 15 last. Today's campaign was conducted under the supervision of Officer in Charge, Kongjom Police Station, Inspector K. Santosh Singh. The 8th edition of 19th Festival has kicked off today at Radisson Blu, Kodanagar in Guwahati, Assam. Assam Chief Minister Sarbananda Sonowal, Tripura Chief Minister Biplav Kumar Dev, and several others were present on the inaugural function. This year, the festival is being organized with minimum human presence and broadcasted on all over the globe through digital platforms due to the COVID-19 pandemic. CID Technical Manipur Police Department organized a mega voluntary blood donation camp cum COVID-19 awareness program at 1st Manipur Rifles Banquet Hall in Imphal West today. Manipur Police in association with Shija Hospital, Janims Porompat, Shija Information Center, Taubal, and LC Taubal organized the program. Manipur State Film Development Society (MSFDS) is planning to celebrate the Golden Jubilee of Manipur cinema in a gala scale in collaboration with the Ministry of Information and Broadcasting and Department of Culture, Government of India. A release from MSFDS today said the society has also planned to launch the state's film archive during the year-long program scheduled to be started from April 9 next. Union Home Minister and BJP leader Amit Shah arrived in Kolkata in the wee hours today on a two-day visit to take stock of his party's affairs in West Bengal ahead of the 2021 West Bengal Assembly elections. Amit Shah's visit comes at a time when it is raining resignations in the Trinamool Congress ahead of the Assembly elections in the next few months.